position. You're going to start by extending the leg and extending. As always in this skill, you can imagine you can lower that head back and just focus on pressing that lower in. More advanced option would be having
in the last month of my internship right now, and I'm also writing my thesis that I want to finish before the summer, and I'm also trying to create my company with my boyfriend and another guy. And so I've been working kind of 24/7 and always thinking about something. And yeah, I wanted to show you today is a bank holiday here in Denmark, so I will be working all day. I woke up and had a chill morning, and so I slept in a little bit and had my breakfast, watched some YouTube, and then I went on a walk to like wake me up. And now I will start to work. I think I will work like maybe 2 hours, and then I will have some lunch and we'll meet some friends in a cafe in town to work there. So yeah.
Is it true that you were draining your savings? And so really, if anyone had motive to...
He was on a lot of medication.
So if he was wedged under a pillow, he wouldn't necessarily be able to lift it off. Thank you very much.
Do you have any reason to believe the defendant killed your husband?
The day of Tom's funeral.
Just put a mask on. I've never struggled that much to put a mask on, but it's on. It's such a gloomy day today, rainy day, so yeah, I just took my shower, just went to the gym, and I'm gonna put PJs on and yeah, just cozy up for the night.
Everyone's saying different things to me, different things to me. Everyone's saying different things to me, different things to me. Do you believe in what you see? There doesn't seem to be anybody else who agrees with me. Do you believe in what you see? Motionless, sweet, nothing.
Yeah, I just did some groceries and there were so many good stuff. I took this to make a tart with yummy and cherry tomatoes, and then I grabbed cottage cheese because I've been here for 5 months and I still didn't know how cottage cheese was written in Danish, so I've been looking at this for 5 months not knowing it was cottage cheese and looking at cottage cheese. So I finally knew it was this, and yeah, my German friend told me, so I bought 2, and then I grabbed a big pot of yogurt to make yogurt balls in the morning and for dessert. This was in promotion, so I grabbed it. It looks so good. Stracciatella. Some dark chocolate with sea salt. And then I grabbed some eggs for breakfast. Some blueberries for breakfast and the yogurt balls. Some mushrooms because yeah, I didn't have any more vegetables. So I like to do mushrooms, they're very quick to cook, so that's really practical. And halloumi, oh my god, I'm in love with this thing. It is so good, so full of protein, and yes, very, very tasty. I love it. I have some candies for tomorrow because tomorrow is my birthday, and yeah, some chips also for tomorrow, and a bottle of wine. I found Italian wine. And some vinegar to clean the apartment. So yeah, that's my small food haul for a few days.
Wasting my time in the waiting line. Do you believe in what you see?
Pieces, all from Soft Rebels, and yeah, I'm gonna try them on to show you. This very cute red top, it's so soft and cozy, and I love the color for this summer and the shape. If you want, you can also put it inside your skirt or jean or short and wear it all over your belly. Okay, so the next one is also a very cute white top that is knitted, and yeah, I love the shape. It's so chic, and yeah, I love it. You can wear it with everything like shorts, skirts, jeans. It's so good and so comfortable. Love it. So this one, I don't have anything to wear underneath right now, but I just put black shorts to just show you, And I love that you can dress it down for the beach with like a swimsuit underneath, or if you want to go to the restaurant with it, you can dress it up with a bag or something. And it's so cute. Love it. Yeah, so I think I will keep the 3 pieces because I loved everything.